Okay, let's begin our class today. Last time we installed Laker, and when we run Laker command, it shows you that lib png12.so.0 cannot be found, right? This looks like a very similar problem like the previous. If you go to Debian packages website and you Okay, if you go to Debian packages website and you search the package name, search, there is 又给我跑来中文 Okay, you cannot find any result. Okay, so what should we do? We are using Debian bookworm now, and we can search, for example, bullseye. We can search bullseye. Okay, no file. Buster. Okay, no file. So you cannot find anything here, right? But if you find libpng, you will find libpng here. Okay, and you click this. Sorry, we needed to find the bookworm version. There is a libpng file packages here, and if you take a look of this file, it will show you this file is version 1.6. However, Laker demands 12, not 1.6. So is there libpng exists in our system? We can use this command. We can use dpkg-l grep libpng. You will see that you already have libpng 16, not 12. You have installed libpng 16. Although I didn't tell you to install it, you still have libpng 16 in your system. Understand? So we can search. Maybe we can use soft link to solve this problem, like libdb. Remember, last time we solved this problem using soft link. We installed libdb 5.3, right? But Virtuoso require libdb 4.7. So I tell you to create a soft link, right? So let's go to, and we can ls-l libpng star, ls-l libpng star. You see, you have libpng 16. That is the soft link to this file. Let me try to solve this problem by creating a soft link. So we can use ln-s this file to libpng 12. If you create a sublink, you will have this link to this file. Okay, so let's see if this can solve our problem or not. So after we create a sublink, we have a libpng12.so.0 link to this file, right? Now let's run Laker again. Okay, this is another error. This one is because this kind of solution doesn't work, right? So we needed to remove this sublink. Okay, you may ask me a question, Professor. Since this is not working, why will you tell us to do this? This is a try and error procedure. Next time in the future, you might find something similar like this. You might find some kind of error similar like this, and you need to learn how I solve this problem. So I tell you to use this solution and find we cannot success, right? Then I will tell you how to install libpng from scratch.